is our first runners-up in the collegiate division. National University Dance Company.
We, the National University Dance Company, are trained not only as dancers but also aspiring artists. We train not only to improve our physical capacity but also enhance our mental fortitude, discipline, and boost our self-confidence. We are committed and we embody consistency. We would love to share our journey, our ups and downs experiences and sacrifices. It is scary, but it is essential to become what we desire to be.
Personally, problems happen, challenges awaits, but in the end of the day, it is you who decide what you're gonna do about it.
They teach me how to be tough, and tinuruan nila ako kung paano i-manage yung time easily. That's why napagkasabay ko yung training namin and yung plates ko na ginagawa.
My hometown in Laguna and started living here in Manila, away from my family and friends. I don't get to spend much time with them, but with the support we receive from each other and with the help of our coaches, that sets us to the right path.
There were times that doubt and vulnerability overpowers our reason why we joined in the first place. But in the end of the day, there's always a brighter side.
Hindi madali yung journey, yung struggle, and syempre may mga times na we consider about quitting. Pero dahil alam ko at ramdam ko na nandyan yung team for me, for each other, yung situation na pagdadaanan namin, it always gets better, and ayun, quitting will never be an option for us.
Being in this team opened new doors and taught us the significance of having discipline and the importance of our training, workouts, and setting the standards that we want to set.
At first, hindi ko in-expect na kakayanin kong tumagal at sa pagiging student-athlete, given na hindi biro yung kinuha kong course. Pero dahil sa help ng aking coaches and others members, tinuro nila sa akin na pag talagang gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, everything will follow.
One of our goals is to develop and mold more dance artists. There's no room for selfishness. We did this not only for us, but also for the people who have determination, passion for dancing, for our family, and for the dance community.
NUDC envisions to be the most illustrious dance company known worldwide. Hindi kami titigil na matuto at mangarap, mag-aral, at patuloy lang ang pag-angat ng aming team. And we will do whatever it takes para makuha yung mga pangarap namin.
We, the National University Dance Company, with honor and determination, fueled by passion, we face every challenge as a united front, for we know that in the end, it was our unwavering bond as a family that would carry us through triumph and adversity alike. Together, with one mind, one heart, one body, one soul, and one goal.
NU! DC! NU! DC! NU! Dance, 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 on my one heart, on my one soul, and goal! NUDC! NUDC! Oh, I'm waiting for that!